Hey everyone, Adam here at Fitness Together with my lovely model Maria. Today we are going to go through how to set up, progress, and regress the split squat. So we're going to start every rep from the half kneeling position. This way you can kind of get yourself all squared away on how to set up. So we're looking for that front shin to be nice and vertical. We're looking for the back toe to stay tucked up, heel away from the floor. So when Maria's ready, she's going to try and push exclusively through this front leg, driving herself up to the roof, locking out that lead leg, and then we're going to have her parachute straight down to the bottom. So should this position cause you any problems, whether it be balance, knee pain, we've got a couple ways to take a step back and help bridge the gap. So step one would be add a second pad underneath to help decrease that range of motion. If you have any knee pain on the front knee or the back knee, this is always a good workaround. Should you still present yourself with some issues on the balance side of things, we can add a dowel to help take the place of that missing leg. Again, same idea, it just helps as a support piece to help give you a little bit of leverage. Now that we've talked regression, let's talk how do we make this position a little bit more challenging. So a staple for us here is always going to be a dumbbell in the goblet position. Again, same idea, it just now adds a little bit more load to the system. If that's uncomfortable for the wrists, we can always drop that down to the side for a suitcase hold. You can go left hand, you can go right hand. It's really your choice here. If and when you get to that chance that you have outgrown just one dumbbell, we can always add two. Thanks for watching.